Hello loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Natasha. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to cut a shirt collar. So let's get started right away. So the material that we'll be needing for this tutorial, the newspaper. You can make use of any pattern paper of your choice. You can make use of your color gum steel. You can make use of your brown paper, any paper of your choice that you know you can use it to make a collar stand. The second, I have my pen. So this pen, I'm using it to put a dot, to rule a straight line, and also you need a ruler. The second, I have my scissors. These scissors, I'll be using it for cutting. After doing my measurement, everything, then I'll use it for the cutting. Then the next is my tape. I'll be using this tape to take the measurements that I need. So let's do this. To do after joining the front of your shirt with the back together, after shaping it, joining it. So you are going to take your tape and you measure from the neck, from the front part of the shirt to the other neck side of the front shirt. Look at it. And I'm having, so the next thing for me to do is to measure it. That is 16 divided by 2. I will have 8 inches. So I will have 8 inches. This is where my 8 inches stopped. Look at it. 8 inches. So for the front collar stand, I'll go up by 1.5. This is the 1.5. Look at it. I'm going up by 1.5. 1.5. This is the 1.5 here. Then I'll rule a straight line to meet the place where I stopped my 8. See, I've drawn the straight line from here to here is 1.5. Then I draw a straight line to meet this 8 inch. That is my collar stand. To make a collar stand, my round neck divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 give me 8. So this is where the 8 stopped. So I draw a straight line to meet this. So the next thing for me to do is to, for my back collar, is for me to go up by 2.5 inches. So I'm going up by 2 inches. I'm going up by 2 inches. But if you like, I can go up by 3 inches. It depends on how big you want your collar to be at the back. So from this 1.5, that is on the collar scale, I'm going up by 2 inches for the back collar stand. So I'll draw a straight line to meet this 8. But first of all, before I forget, as my collar stand here, I will go in by 1 inches. I'll go in by 1 inches. So this is my 1 inches. Then I'll form a curve from this 1 inches. I'll form a curve. So this is the curve. I'll form a curve like this. So please don't mind my curve. But when I'm cutting it, it's going to come out. So I'll form a curve. Then I'll draw from this my 2 inches. I'm going to draw a straight line to stop exactly at this 1 inches. On the collar stand, I went in by 1 inch. So I'm going to draw a straight line to that place. So look at it. I've drawn a straight line. This is where it's stopped, like this 1 inches that I went in. I went in this collar stand. I went in by 1 inches. So this 1 inches, I draw a straight line from these 2 inches that I went up by. Look at it. So I'll make a slant from this 1 inch here. I'll make a slant like this. Look at it. I'll make a slant like this. Then I'll go, I'll draw a straight line for me to get this my collar. So now this, see, I've made the slant. Look at it up to this side. So the next thing is to cut. Look at this. I've made it. Look at what I'm talking about. There is the collar. Like I said, this 16 divided by 2, after measuring your round neck sleeve, 16 divided by 2, I will have 8 inches. So 8, I'll fold my paper into 2 or your still. Then I'll mark my 8 inches for my front collar stand. Then I'll go up by 1.5. After 1.5, then I'll go in by 1 inches to have this curve. So for this back center stand, I'm going to go up by 2 inches. I went up by 2 inches, then draw a straight line to where my 1 inches that I went in by 1 inches in this stand. Then I make a curve, a slant. Then I also went in for a then I connected this side to meet this side. Look at it, I make a slant. So the next thing for me to do now is to cut this pattern for you to see. So see, I'll finish cutting it. I'll finish cutting the collar. So if you want to make a one stand collar, that is a joint collar, one stand collar, you can just leave it like this. Look at the opening. You can leave it like this. See, my collar is ready. Just one stand collar. You can leave it like this. But in this, we are making two. That is this front stand collar, also the back side collar. So I'm going to cut it into two. So you can see I've cut it separately from each other. This is the upper side and this is the down side of the collar. So let me join it together. You see, let me make. So we have come to the end of this cutting version. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you the sewing version. So to my old subscriber, I say thank you. To my new subscriber, I say thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you. Love you all. Bye bye.